Let's go to the next automation. What will we do now is we'll try to add an Excel automation to change the data in all the Excel files in the folder. Let us, we'll search for a particular word and change that word. Okay, so let's see. Let us open the Excel file which we are going to use. I'll open this Excel file, and in this Excel file, we are going to change a particular data to another data. That is replace the values. That's what we are going to do with this automation. And if you can see in this Excel file, there is a value called cell phone. Okay, cell phones are there and home theater is there. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an automation to change cell phone to mobile phone and home theater to home entertainment. Okay, so let's close this Excel file and we are going to iterate through all the 12 files and including the concatenated file and change the data. Let's close this file and let's go back to ChatGPT and write the prompt. Okay, what we are going to do is we are asking ChatGPT to write a Python code to iterate through all the Excel files, specify it is all the Excel files in the current folder. Okay, and replace values, and this whatever the values you want to replace, make it like to match with the actual data. Okay, if in the actual data, if cell phone has C capital and P capital, use the same. Okay, otherwise it will not change the data. And what we are going to do is, and then we are going to change home data and be specific about the spellings also. Actual data spelling is wrong in the data. So that's what we are going to use here also. And what we want to do is we are going to save this modified files in a separate folder so that the original data remains the same. Okay, in a separate folder, so we can give the folder name also. And if the folder doesn't exist, ask ChatGPT to create that folder. Okay, that's what we are going to do. Otherwise, it will throw an error saying that the folder doesn't exist. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are asking ChatGPT to write a Python code to iterate through all the Excel files in the current folder and replace values cell phone to mobile phone and home theater to home entertainment and save the modified files in the folder named output. And if the folder doesn't exist, ask ChatGPT to create the folder. Okay, let's give the prompt to ChatGPT. Okay. Okay. So make sure that is all the Excel files are there in the same folder, and this code will create an output folder if it doesn't exist, and specify the file name also in the output folder. Okay. Let's copy the code. Code has been copied. Let's go back to the IDE and let's create a new file for this. We will give any name. I'm giving, as this is a data replacement, I'm giving the file name as replace data.py and I'm pasting the code. Let's run the code. Okay, all the files have been modified. Let's go back to the folder and see whether the new folder has been created. See, output folder has been created. Let's open the output folder. Let's open one of the files. So the mobile phone, whatever the value cell phone, it has to be replaced as mobile phone, and home theater, it has to be replaced as home entertainment. Okay. See, home theater has been replaced by home entertainment, and mobile phone, sorry, cell phone has been replaced by mobile phone. So this is one of the automation where we are replacing the data in the columns in the Excel file. Okay. Let's go back to another Excel file and check whether it has been, we'll go to the concatenated data file and see whether the data has been changed. This is also changed. Okay, home entertainment, mobile phone. If you can see, all the data has been changed. There is no cell phone, there is no home theater. Likewise, all the Excel files where the particular word is there, cell phone, it would have been replaced, and home theater would have been replaced as home entertainment. Okay, let's close the Excel file. So what we saw through this automation is we gave prompt to ChatGPT to write a Python code to replace a particular word with another word, which is done successfully. Let us go to the next automation task.